A great many people trust that men's sexual execution and sexual capacity issues must be cured by medicine, for example, Viagra. Nonetheless, a characteristic and homemade cure is similarly as compelling, if worse. That is on account of this cure is produced using aphrodisiacs, which energizes sexual sentiments. Here's the means by which to make the handcrafted Viagra. Fixings: freshly crushed lemon juice. Watermelon. Planning: cut the watermelon in modest pieces. Blend the bits of watermelon until the point when you get watermelon juice, about a liter of it. Put the juice in a pot and bubble it for a few minutes. Add the lemon juice to the watermelon juice. Mix the juices well and bubble until the point when the entire sum lessens to a half. Set the blend aside for 60 minutes, with the goal that it chills off. Pour the juice in a spotless glass bottle. Store in the fridge. Watermelon is awesome for your well-being. In particular, for sexual well-being, it contains lycopene and citrulline. Both of these supplements are aphrodisiacs and enhance your sexual execution. When planning to devour this blend, make certain to constrain your admission of sugars and salts, as they can decrease the impacts. Expend any measure of this drink, beginning from 2 tablespoons to 1/3 of a container. This ought to be taken early in the day, on a vacant stomach, or at night. At the point when expended all the time, you will soon see an expansion in your sexual strength and execution. The two men and ladies, alike, can profit by this drink, paying little mind to age.